Logitech has introduced a brand new wireless travel mouse called the Mobi Fold, and it's designed with portability in mind. Unlike traditional mice that take up valuable space in your bag, this one folds down into a compact shape that's about as slim and convenient as a low-profile wallet. Priced at $79.99, it's aimed at travelers, remote workers, and anyone who prefers using a mouse over a laptop trackpad while on the move. One of the most interesting features of the Mobi Fold is its folding design. The mouse bends along a central hinge, transforming from a flat square into a curved ergonomic shape that feels much more like a standard mouse when in use. This allows it to remain comfortable while working and incredibly easy to pack away when you're finished. Instead of a traditional scroll wheel, Logitech has equipped the Mobi Fold with a touch-sensitive scrolling surface. The mouse also includes dedicated left and right click areas, making the experience familiar and intuitive for most users. Connectivity is handled through Bluetooth, and the device can pair with up to 3 different devices, making it easy to switch between a laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Compatibility is broad, supporting Windows, macOS, ChromeOS, Android, and iPadOS. Logitech is also offering a business-focused version that includes a Logibolt receiver, along with additional management features designed for IT departments and enterprise environments. Battery life is another highlight. Logitech says the Mobi Fold can last up to 30 days on a single charge under typical use. When it's time to recharge, it uses a USB-C connection, keeping things simple and convenient. The company also paid special attention to durability, with a hinge system and ribbed silicone section designed to withstand repeated folding, while helping keep dust out and preventing pinched fingers. The Mobi Fold is available in several color options, including sand, off-white, graphite, and lilac, giving users a bit of choice when it comes to style. Some packages also include an optional carry pouch that can be attached to a bag or belt, making the mouse even easier to take wherever you go. For anyone looking for a portable mouse that doesn't sacrifice functionality, the Logitech Mobi Fold offers an interesting blend of compact design, multi-device connectivity, and everyday convenience in a travel-friendly package.